Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. So today I want to talk to you about these cylinders from Tusk. If you have a dirt bike or an ATV and you are in need of a new cylinder, Tusk has you covered. What's great is that we have these available for a lot of different makes and models. So when you're on our website to see the cylinder, if we have one for your bike, or to see any part that'll fit your machine, all you have to do on the home page is enter the year, make, and model, the dirt bike, the ATV, the UTV that you have. You will see everything that will fit that specific machine. But in the case of a cylinder, we've got a lot of options to choose from. What's really nice about these is that they're built to OEM specs. In fact, on the product pages, when you enter in your bike, your ATV's information, it will show you at the bottom what OEM part number these replace. But they're built to OEM specs. They're a cast aluminum. You have the nickel silicone carbide. It's coated. You've got the cross hatching. They're high quality cylinders at a very, very low price. In fact, I looked one up for, say, a 2017 YZ450F. It was less than half the price of an OEM cylinder. So if you have to replace yours, you're looking to save a buck but still get a good quality product, these are a great option. Now, also what I do want to point out is not only do we have cylinders available, but Tusk also has complete top-end gasket kits that you can pick up as well. We even have complete top-end gasket or top-end kits that will come with your gaskets and a piston with the rings, clips, everything that you need to completely rebuild your top end. So again, if you have dirt bike, ATV, looking to rebuild your top end, you want a new cylinder for whatever reason, maybe you had a big failure, your piston seized up, it's not repairable, just grab a whole new one, you'll be ready to rock. And the best part is too, we have great how-to videos for both dirt bikes and ATVs. So if you need to see step-by-step how to rebuild a top end, we're gonna have videos for you that make it very simple to do so, which also is gonna save you a ton of money not having to take your machine to a repair shop. So if you do have questions or comments though, please leave those down below. We will get those answered. To grab one of these, to see the kits that we have, click the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember, we ship for free over 75 bucks. If you always want to stay up to date on videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and you will always be up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.